Dear students, welcome back. Today we're going to continue on the map ratio, and we're going to see today how to use the information we have to find this time the map ratio. This time we're not going to be given the map ratio, but we're going to be given other information, for example, information like distance on the map or distance in real life, and then from there we can go back and find the map ratio. So again, the map ratio is our topic. Our objective for today is by the end of this lesson you'll learn how to find the map ratio. So we're going to start immediately by using an example, okay, and continue from there. So there's a map. Someone has a map. There are two places on the map. When measured by a ruler, the distance between those two places was found to be 4 centimeters. So the distance between those two places was found to be 4 centimeters. Now, the two places were called A and B. In real life, the distance between A and B is 56 kilometers. What is the map ratio? So let's remember a little bit before we start to work out this problem. When we have a map ratio, we said that a map ratio is written in the form distance on the map is to real life distance. So that is the map ratio, and then we have to simplify our ratio until we reach 1 is to n. Okay, so let's see what information have we got here. So the distance on the map is 4 centimeters, the distance between A and B. The real life distance between A and B is 56 kilometers. Now, as you can notice, we have got different units. One is centimeters and one is kilometers. So we need to change those kilometers to centimeters first. So because this is centimeters, we have to use the centimeter as a unit. So the kilometer has to be changed first to meters, then it has to be changed to centimeters. To change from kilometers to meters, I need to multiply by 1000. To change from meters to centimeters, I need to multiply by 100. So I got 4 centimeters is to 5, 6, and 5 zeros. Now they are both centimeters. Now once they are both centimeters, I can remove the centimeter. But I'm still not arrived to the point where it is 1 is to n. So what do I need to do? I need to divide by 4. And dividing by 4, I get 1 is to 1,400,000. And that is our answer. The map ratio is 1 is to 1,400,000. Okay? So that is our first example. Let's work out another example so that things become clearer. So Sarah has a model of a plane which is 24 centimeters long. If the real life plane is 12.6 meters long, what is the scale on the model. So, let's remember, distance on the map, scale on the map, scale on the model is to real life. Okay? So scale on the model, distance on the map, model distance is 24 centimeters. Real life distance is 12.6 meters. Again, we've got different units. This is quite normal in these problems that you will get different units. So I have to change the meters to centimeters. So I have to multiply by 100. So now I got 24 centimeters is to 1260 centimeters. Both are centimeters, so I can remove the centimeter now. So I got 24 is to 126, so I can simplify. You can simplify in any way. I can divide immediately by 24, or I can simplify if it's in your mental paper, for example. You can simplify by dividing each time by numbers which you know that are factors. Okay, for example, I can divide by 4. Dividing by 4, this becomes 6. Dividing by 4, this becomes 315. As you see, 3 is a factor, so I can now divide by 3. Dividing by 3, I get 2, and I get 157. Sorry, 104.75. But 104.75. Sorry, there's a mistake there. It's 105. But my answer should be 1 is to n. So now I should divide by 2 to get 1 is to 52.5. Okay? So the MIP ratio, the scale, is 1 is to 52.5. Okay? Always, we should always arrive to 1 is to something, because that is the MIP ratio. If we're asked to find the MIP ratio, okay, the scale should always be 1 is to something. So that is our lesson for today. Hope you have understood. See you next lesson.